How to recover Telegram account lost phone number. To recover a lost Telegram account due to a lost phone number, you may follow up these steps. So open up the Telegram application and head over to the login page. And here, see if your number is still active or not. So you can just go ahead and type in your number here. And after you type it, you can basically see if your number is still active, request a SIM reactivation, or you can request a verification code via SMS and see if that works or not. If you cannot do so, you can basically reach over to Telegram support for that. So head over to any of the browser and look out for Telegram support. You may basically head over to Telegram support page and explain your situation clearly and politely to Telegram. After that, basically state that you have lost your phone number and everything, and Telegram support uh, may not be able to fully recover your account, but it's worth a try. So you can basically head over to this website right here and try it out. If that is still a problem, then that may be because your phone number is not valid now. So you can basically get a new phone number and try logging in into your account again, or create a new account for your Telegram and access the Telegram. That is only the way available. And that's it. Otherwise, if you have linked your Telegram to any other device, you can potentially use those to access the account and update your phone number as well. So therefore, in order to recover your Telegram account, you may try following up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.